Alright, hello YouTube. This is my Hunter Beacon Hill ceiling fan that is now installed in my house or in my bedroom. I've already got the Hampton Bay stowed away in this box. Just gonna leave that. I got the blades back there. But yeah, I went to Habitat today and found this, and along with another exact Homestead Universal, same size and everything. It did come with like a little light kit and the stock 3-inch down rod. It's got a slight little scuff right here that I'm sure I could remove, and it does squeak a bit, but when it's on you don't even hear it. I'm going to start it off with the very nice aesthetic low, just to start with. Just got back from Habitat probably 20 minutes ago. Already have it all installed and the other fence taken down. Still have screwdrivers and paper towels and stuff laying around because it was a little dusty, but nothing too bad. It's got a little bit of rust on the top. I'm not going to worry about that though. I might be able to remove that with some plastic steel wool, something not as abrasive. Yeah, it's got a very nice aesthetic low with this Hunter switch. Alright, so let's go to the general settings. So this should be regular low, so it's something that the fan will come with when you install it without the switch. Even this is pretty nice, the low speed. It's about the same as the landmark, but I don't know, it just looks a little nicer. So let's go to medium. It's very quiet. Landmark was pretty quiet too, but it kind of whistled a little bit on high, which was a little bit annoying. Wasn't too bad, something I could have lived with. Medium on this fan is probably about the high on the Hampton Bay landmark. Little logo. I don't know if it came with any pull tabs. It does have this genuine little thing that you just stick to the top where it connects, but it didn't come with any pull tabs, so I don't know. Alright, set it to high. And this thing moves a ton of air. For a 44-inch fan, it flies. Okay, well, that's something I can't live with. Oh my god. Alright, so let's turn it off. I don't know why it's doing that. I'm sorry about that. When I turned it on to high before, it didn't do that. Oh my god. I haven't seen slow down time yet either. Because like I said, I just got it up. I think it goes very nicely with my wall color and my bed. The Beacon Hill. I don't know if I had this in the video, but I actually flipped the blades over to the bleached oak side. Because I like that more. It went a little better with the wall color and the blinds. And actually, I'm just noticing this, the wood on the blades here is like the exact same color as my blinds. Yeah, nice little fan. I don't know why it does that. Didn't do that before. Probably a little off balanced. Just wait. There's the low setting. Alright, thanks for watching.